Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited because I have right here with me Ipsy Glam Bags for the month of April. I received it and I just wanted to open it with you guys right away. I know I didn't do one for March. My bags were lost in USPS, but we have April now, so let's just go ahead and start unboxing. Okay, so this is a bag, and as you can see, something happened to it. It was just like this in the mail, like full of like this USPS tape. So it seems that they open it, and I'm very like sad, and I hope nothing's missing. But if that's the case, I can't do anything because this is PR. But anyways, let's just go ahead and see what this is. But first, if you guys don't know what Ipsy is a beauty subscription that has different memberships. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products. And then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full size products. And you actually get to choose, I believe, every month 1 or 2 products, depend on your membership. And it's based on your quiz that you do if you like, for example, more skincare, more makeup, etc. Things like that. But let's go ahead and unbox this and see. Hopefully nothing's missing. And I also don't know what I'm going to get, since this is a box that they were sent to creators, influencers. I have no way of knowing what I receive, as well as I don't have any price for these items. The only thing I could do is show you guys, and something that you could actually get in your bag for this month, April. So okay, so first thing I see here, it's a really cute bucket hat. So this is cute. This is white, and it says here Force of Nature with the logo. I guess this is like the theme for this month. So let's see how this looks. I haven't worn this in years. It's a small, so I think it will fit me. So this is something that we used like back in the 2000s, and I haven't used this in the longest. It's super cute, and I guess this is back in style. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see the other items. So first of all, thank you Ipsy for this gift. Now, the card for this month, it says April 2021 Force of Nature. This is the theme for this month, and it has like a cute leaves, and then I think this is like a lip, some lips, and it says, whether you love your naked face, skincare is the new foundation, or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can be stopped. And the hashtag for this month is hashtag Ipsy Force of Nature. Okay. So it looks like the theme, it's all about nature and all of that, and your probably like skincare and stuff like that. So it's probably gonna be a lot of skincare items here. So let's just dive in. Let me see if, okay. So both of the bags, remember that USPS opened this for me, so it might not be as Ipsy sent it to me. So all I see is like a bunch of things like all over the place, and then the bags are empty. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag for this month. It's one of these strings. It's like cotton. I think it's a really cute print design. It's perfect for like April. I like the colors. And then the bag for the Ipsy Glam Bag, same thing, same theme. And then it has like, for the opening, the zipper, it's like a lip. So this is cute. And then inside it says Force of Nature, and it's orange. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get out the first item I see, and then just show you guys about it. So it looks like this is a full-size item. This is from the brand Item, which I believe is a sister brand of Ipsy, and is the brand of the influencer Addison Reed, I believe that's her name. It's she's a famous like TikToker and stuff like that. So this is the Lit Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer, which is for oily and combo skin. My skin is more on the dry side, but I do believe I have like a combo skin. It's kind of complicated. I don't even understand my own skin, but it's always good to get these type of products that are for like combo skin. So let's open. It says a dose of love right here. Then let's see the package. Ooh, it's a really pretty package and sleek design. So it has one of these pumps, which is very nice. So like it says, this is like a gel, and yeah, I'll check it out and see if I stay with it and try it and let you guys know. Or whatever I don't open is because I usually either put it on the side for a giveaway, or since I have a lot of stuff opened already, I wait till some of my stuff gets finished and use this because I don't want to like waste products. But if you guys want to know like a review, or let me know and I will let you guys know for sure. So next item I have here is from Victoria Beckham. Ooh. Okay, so I didn't know she had like a makeup line, so this is very cool. This is the Future Lash. It says smudge-free lifting mascara, and it kind of feels like heavy. So let's see the packaging of this. Ooh, it's a really pretty black package, like very simple and elegant, like her. She's a really elegant person. So I'm not sure if you can see, guys, the brand, but it says it right there. It's really, really pretty, and like I said, it feels like heavy. It feels like very luxurious actually. So I'm not sure how much this is, but it feels expensive. Next item I have here, this is a shampoo bar. It's from the brand, I believe, Soap Box. It says Argan Oil Control and Soften. I actually have never seen a shampoo which is like a soap, like a bar, like a soap bar. This is actually very interesting to me. It says with coconut oil and shea, color safe, SLS and SLES free. So let's see what it looks like. So it's actually just like a regular soap. I need to put it in the shower to not confuse it with a regular like body soap or hand soap. And actually it like smells nice. Like it has like a soft scent. Like I tell you, it's regular soap. Not soap. Oh my gosh, I keep confusing with soap. It's a regular bar, but it's a shampoo bar. So I'm not sure how you use this. Like, do you rub it in your hair like that? Like, I'm so confused. But I'll check it out. Hopefully, like, see some YouTube videos or something on how to use it and use it for myself, because that's very interesting to me. Like, I've never seen that before. So that's very cool. Okay, so next product I have here is from the brand First Aid Beauty, which I have tried. This, I believe these are the pads, the radiant pads. Yes, this is the facial radiance pads, which helps to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. It's alcohol free and safe for sensitive skin. It says wipe pad across face, neck, once or twice daily after cleansing. So I have used these pads and they're very good. They feel really amazing on the skin, and actually my husband uses it too. Sometimes I give it to him for like to cleanse his face and stuff. He doesn't use skincare, but he has tried these pads actually and he likes it. So this is safe, I guess, for both genders. Anyways, next item I have here is from the brand Nomad, and it's the Sydney Batters Balmoral Beach. Is this a highlighter? Okay, this is the Kiss of Sun highlighter, and I actually have this, I believe, in like a palette, like a big palette of like a face palette, which is it has highlighters and bronzers. So I think I have this bronzer. So let me just check the color. But if I do have it, like I said, I'll put it away for a future giveaway. Their highlighters and bronzers are amazing. I really like it. Okay, so yeah, I think I do have this color. It's a pretty light to like gold beigey, like beigey tone. So it's really nice. I actually got my first product in the Ipsy Glam Bag of them, which was a highlighter. It was like a pinkish highlighter and I really love it. It's really, really pretty. So I believe this is like for the Ipsy Glam Bag, yeah, which is not a full-size item. So next item I have here is from the brand, I'm not sure. Well, the name is, okay. So it says My Skinny Mask Australia. And then it's the turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. It says Your Glow Girl. So let me see if I can smell it on the outside. No, I can't smell it. But it has like a really yellow packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Next item I have, it's from the brand Dr. Botanicals, and it's the Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Ooh, okay, it's a 2-in-1 product. I do love that. I actually adore products that are like for skincare that is like 2-in-1, which you get one product for several multi-purpose, and then you get it over with, and not to have like a bunch of different products for your skin, like the toner, the serum, you know, everything. And then sometimes having 2-in-1 products saves you time, and it is just amazing. So I really like this. I think I'm gonna give it a try, especially because it helps to remove your makeup, so that's always a good thing. Okay, so next product is from the brand Tribe Cosmetics. It's the lip filler lip liner, semi-permanent macro pigment technology, and this is in the shade something. It looks like a mauvey shade. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys, but this is the packaging. It's a lip liner. Okay, so I have tried the mascara from them and I really like it. It's a mascara that's easy to remove. It doesn't like irritate your eyes. So I like that. So I really like that they included this brand again in Ipsy to give a try to other products that they have. Okay, so let me see. Ooh, it's a pretty color. Yeah, like I said, it's like a mauvey pinkish tone. And I'm so excited to try this. Let me see if I could swatch this here and you guys can see it. It's so pretty and creamy. Oh my gosh. I really, really want to try this now. Yes. Okay. I'm so excited for this. And next, what do we have next? Next, we have from Lauren Conrad. And this is the lip gloss. Ooh, it's a pretty lip gloss. So it actually matches with the lip liner. So this will go hand in hand. I like that. Let me see if I could open, you guys. See? Yeah, it looks similar to the color. Sure, you could see it there. Yeah, so I'm excited to give this a try. Next item we have, and the final item, which is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I'm so excited for it. So this is from the brand Belle and Argent. This is the Panochromatic Eyeshadow Palette, Nude Intuitive Vision. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty and nice packaging. And open her up and see the inside. Okay, so the packaging is gorgeous. It's like silver, glossy silver. It's really, really pretty and nice. I think I remember I have a lipstick from this brand, and I really like their formula, and the packaging was super gorgeous. So I can't wait to try this. Okay, so it comes with a mirror. It's super cute because here they have like an eye, so that's nice. And these are the shades, which are nude, neutral shades that I really like, and it's perfect for like everyday, or if you want to do like a little glam look, you can, because they do have 4 shimmers and then they do have 4 mattes. So I think these colors are perfect for like everybody. Like, it looks really good. And yeah, I think that's it for this month, April. All of these goodies I like because they do have like a combination between skincare and makeup. Remember, I do like more makeup, so I always like for them to include more makeup, but skincare, it's always nice to get. Plus they did include something for the hair, so that's nice. And yeah, I think this was a good month for Ipsy. I really like everything. Thank you, Ipsy, for sending me this amazing box. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. And let me know what you get in this month Ipsy Glam Bags. So thanks again, guys. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.